To understand our present selves and put us in a position to take control of our future self, we must reflect on how our past experiences have shaped our present moment reactions. Sometimes life throws us unexpected moments that become pivotal turning points. I can pinpoint one of those exact moments for me. It was on the golf course when my best friend Hector Lamarck gave me some hard truths. That moment, I was forced to examine how my past self allowed me to be in my present state of negativity, dissatisfaction, bitterness, and resentment. I didn't know it then, but it would mark the beginning of a profound personal transformation. You see, your present self is a result of your life's experiences. This includes all the people you've surrounded yourself with, all the influencers and influences in your life, your own successes, your own failures, your own trials, tribulations, fears, anxieties, stresses, all these things compounded on you and in you, from around you, projected onto you, create a false or broken belief about what's possible. Now, what causes you fear, anxiety, and stress? What causes you to act or react in a certain way or say or do certain things? Examining your past allows you to become more self-aware, which helps you project where you want to be in the future. It helps you recognize patterns of behavior, triggers, emotional responses, and these are the things that could be or are holding you back. Understanding your past struggles and how to overcome them and instill the sense of resilience and confidence into you that allows you to dominate what's available to you in your life. It reminds you that you have faced challenges before and overcome them, and you can do it again. And while you can't change the past, you can affect your future self by making decisions in the present moment that drive you and move you closer to where you want to be in the future. To understand our present selves and put us in a position to take control of our future self, we must reflect on how our past experiences have shaped our present moment reactions. Now that you have an understanding of how your past experiences may have limited your present beliefs of what's possible, it's time to take a closer look at your present self. How can you impact who you are right now? First, evaluate the people you've surrounded yourself with. What are their goals? What are they doing every day to achieve them? What actions are they taking? What decisions are they making? What accomplishments do they have? Now, make a decision to seek out positive, supportive individuals who share your values and inspire personal and professional and financial growth, and get rid of the drainers, the average in your life. Pursue people who are an example to what you want to be. But first, you have to make that decision. See, you don't need people around you that are going to pull your attention away from where you want to be as a person, who you want to become, what you want to succeed at. You need to evaluate the content you consume regularly. Are they sources of inspiration, knowledge, encouragement, personal development? See, I can guarantee you, whatever you're taking in and consuming will come out of you. Input actually amplifies output. The content you consume and where you're focusing your attention, this significantly influences your mindset and your outlook in life, which ultimately influences the results you create. By consciously choosing what to expose yourself to, what to take control of, what influences to let in, these things with intentionality will shape your thoughts and your decisions and ultimately your results. Changing the people you surround yourself with and what you put your attention on and what you consume will all have an immediate impact in your life. I promise you this. Armed with the awareness you can start making intentional choices that are aligned with not where you're at today, but who you want to be tomorrow and what you want to achieve in your life. The only way to move towards the 9 figures you want to achieve is to make a decision to break out of your past mindset, your present behaviors, and take charge of your future. You have to commit to start taking action towards the person you want to be and will become. And you have to intentionally shape a future that aligns your true potential.